dear students, let's get started with 37 and 38 here. So x1, x2, xn be a random sample from the Poisson distribution x k greater than 0, and these given. Phi, these two values are also given. Size of the randomized test within the interval. Okay, so for this thing, expectation of x is p summation of xi greater than 2 0.1 into p summation of xi equal to 2 given lambda equal to 1. Remember that here y equal to summation of xi, that is following a Poisson distribution of summation of lambda I, that is means Poisson of 4. So this is from this part equal to 1 minus probability of summation of xi less than equal to 2 0.1 equal to 2. So 1 minus probability of y equal to 0.1 to 0.1 probability of y equal to 2. So 1 minus e to the power minus 4 plus 0.1 e to the power minus 4 square by 2 factorial. So finally it is, you can calculate, this will give you 0.7476, and option number C is correct. Next is 776. Okay. So one interval is like going for the 0.8 part. So this is done. Next is power of the randomization test within the interval. So power at lambda equal to 5, so y Poisson of 6, so 1 minus e to the power minus 6, this is 0.1 e to the power minus 6 square by 2 factorial. Plus 1.8 into e to the power minus 6, 0.94. So option number D in this case is